I guess I was around 18 and I was, didn't really know what I was going to do with my life. Just taking some college courses for business at a local college. I had to do this public speaking presentation and I was like absolutely terrified. That's how it began. I went up and I ended up having to go through this fear and force myself to get through it. And once I did it a few more times, I was like, wow, that felt amazing to push past that. I wanted to get into broadcasting because it would make me take that next step. Throughout it, they basically said, you got a great voice, you should do voiceover. Yeah, I graduated from the class and the next day signed up on voices.com and I did one audition at like 12 o'clock at night just to see what would happen. And I couldn't even believe it. I woke up in the morning, I actually got it. Well, I think the first step is you should get some basic training, especially editing. I think you can take voiceover workshops that will teach you the basics, and that's not too difficult in terms of delivery, but editing is very crucial, and it can save your butt many times if you know what you're doing. So if you just know the very basic processes, you're going to run into some troubles, I found. So I would say take a comprehensive editing workshop and also learn delivery at a voiceover workshop, and then get on voices.com and start auditioning. Well, number one benefit is you're going to get better because you're auditioning every single day, or at least you should be doing. So you're going to get better even if you're not booking work. And like me, myself, when I first started, I did 15 to 20 auditions every single day. And that's the benefit, is you can just hop on your computer and you can learn, keep practicing. Second reason is the more you have out there, the more chances you have of booking. You're eventually going to run into time where you're busy doing a real job, and then all these hundreds of auditions will catch up, and so maybe something from last month will come in, and then you get work for the next week. You don't get discouraged, and if you don't book anything after 30, 40, even 50 auditions, like just know that happens for the people like who are doing this full time. So you're not alone. Like just keep sending them, no matter what. It just, eventually something comes in. I think early on, what gave me the success is I found my niche in the market, and that's what everybody has to really do. You have to find out like what personality your voice conveys. I could never get the in a world type jobs or the movie trailers. I just don't book those, but I book the guy next door, the cool casual kind of corporate read. And as soon as I found out that's what they liked, I just kept focusing on that 100%. I've done anime work, I've done tutorials, explainer videos, commercials, TV, radio, military training, experiences you probably wouldn't even ever think that you would do. You can probably do it in voiceover. The most rewarding for me was when I started working for Google, promoting their internet ads, because that was the first step that I made to working for like a truly large company. And I got to really put myself under pressure, because I remember we were doing the live sessions and they would have like 7 executives listening in from like Germany and London and LA and New York and everything. It was like, it really made me expand and get more comfortable. The best thing is that you don't have to be tied down anywhere. I mean, that's what I love. Like I take my equipment with me on the road. I was recording commercials in Vegas, like right on the strip. You could be in a cabin in Banff. Like it doesn't matter. That's my favorite thing, is I'm not tied to a 9-to-5 job. If I wake up in the morning, I don't really feel like working, then I just won't work. Like I'll work at like 5 p.m. to 7 if I wanted to, instead of doing like a 9-to-5. I think in the future, hopefully you're just going to see me continue to evolve and sound more real. Every year that I keep getting a little bit better, I listen back to the previous year and I go, oh my God, like what was I doing? Every year I do that, and it's been 8 years now. So I'm hoping in the next 5 to 10 years I just keep getting more natural. I would like to kind of continuously be doing like every week national TV ads. That's my goal for now. I do a lot of explainer videos, a lot of tutorials, a lot of internet ads, but that I want to do TV international more. It's been amazing, to be honest. I wouldn't even have a job if it wasn't for this company, 100%. Because I booked so many clients on the site that have led to return business over the years, and it led to some of the biggest clients I ever booked was through Voices. And the customer service has been amazing. I recommend it to everybody who's starting off. I'm like, go to Voices. That's how you learn.